Hey guys, what's up? On today's episode of Open House, we're going to be taking you on a tour of the single family home here in Richmond's Museum District, and this one is listed at just under $900,000.
So let's get started. We've got something really special for you guys today. We have a single family home in the heart of the Museum District. Now this neighborhood is typically known for older homes, and something that's special about this is that it's new construction, and with that you have all the energy efficiency that comes with it. Not to mention walkability and so many amenities nearby. We're talking so close to some of Richmond's best restaurants like Stella's, multiple grocery stores, tennis courts, easy highway access, and just a short distance to the airport. I think you guys are gonna love this home, so let's take you inside.
Hey guys, I'm Dave Seibert with Real Broker, and listing a home like this in this location and in this hot market is an absolute privilege, because a home like this is the type of home that everybody is looking for right now. Downtown, great location, almost 2,600 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a 3rd floor with tons of extra potential. And just take a look around. We have a gorgeous open floor plan with a spacious backyard and off-street parking.
Okay, let's get started with the main floor tour, and we're gonna start right here in this beautiful kitchen. How fantastic is this space? You have 2-tone kitchen cabinets as well as this super white countertop called Andromeda Quartz, which is super durable. And it's paired with this timeless subway backsplash, designer light fixtures, and a zero radius sink, giving this kitchen an elegant but modern feel. And this island is massive. I can just imagine my kids sitting here eating an after-school snack. There is just so much space. So as we mentioned before, this home is in the Museum District, where you'll typically find older homes. So this next feature is truly a rare find for this neighborhood. We have a walk-in pantry. Now, as a mom of 2, I'm always looking for more storage, so this is a big bonus for me personally. And to top it all off, you have stainless steel Frigidaire appliances, including the smooth top range. But we can't forget about this little wet bar area with your very own wine fridge, and I just love how cozy it feels with this lamp here. This is definitely where I'd be putting my Nespresso machine for morning coffee.
Okay, now let's take a look at this living room space. I am blown away by all the windows. The natural light is just pouring in. And those 9-foot ceilings allows that light to really bounce around and for the space to feel open and friendly and welcoming.
Now you can access your backyard from your living room or from your mudroom, which is right off the kitchen. And a mudroom in this neighborhood is also another very rare find. As we head through the mudroom here, you'll find a fully fenced yard along with lush green grass, perfect for kids and pets, as well as off-street parking. And a big upgrade you won't usually find is an irrigation system in both the front and the backyard to keep your grass beautiful even through our hot summer months. Now there's a few more things to show you here on this main floor before we head upstairs, just to help you understand everything. And as we move to the front of the house, you'll see this spacious dining room that can easily fit a table for 8, a nice half bath tucked away for guests, as well as an office. Or for my family, this would probably be the playroom. So you have these doors here that are perfect for noise control and privacy. Okay, let's head upstairs. All right, stepping onto the 2nd floor now, guys. I think you guys are gonna love this layout, and for good reason. On the 2nd floor here, you'll find your primary suite, as well as these 2 additional spacious bedrooms with plenty of storage and natural light. You'll also find this gorgeous ensuite with a double vanity, designer light fixtures, and a tile surround, as well as your laundry room with built-in cabinetry for extra storage.
Now this is a primary suite. Look how large and spacious it is. You've got room for a king-size bed, nightstands, and multiple large dressers. And the builder even added this beautiful trim work, giving this home much more of a custom feel. And right here off the entrance, you have not just 1, but 2 full-size walk-in closets that are already completely built out, making this home move-in ready, another particularly rare feature for this neighborhood. But check out this primary bathroom. You've got a frameless glass shower with beautiful tile surround. And have I mentioned yet that this home comes with a tankless hot water heater, which means endless hot water for those long hot showers. Also, we have a water closet for privacy, and we have a dual vanity with quartz countertop and lots of storage, and these beautiful light fixtures that really tie the room together.
Okay, now we're on the third floor. This is that very special feature I was telling you guys about. So this is completely unfinished. It's 464 square feet of space. It's fully plumbed out, so you'd have a full bathroom. It could be a gym, an in-laws suite, a bonus room, a kid's room. It could be anything.
Homes like this are not lasting in this market, especially ones with so many great features like this. So to see this one in person,
just give me, Amanda Seibert, a call, text, or email. And if you want to keep watching great home tours just like this, we have a playlist right here. And if you never want to miss another one, just hit that subscribe button.